Hello, I am Sherry Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to be doing a glitter French manicure, and I'm going to be using products from Shemodern.com. I'm going to be using the Blue Teal Hollow Iridescent Glitter. I have my guides on my fingers already. The products I'm going to be using are the glitter I just showed you, some water decal daisies. I got my trusty tweezers. Guides are already on the fingers, so we can put those aside. My foil nail glue. My Insta-Dry by Sally Hansen's. I already have on my base coat by Sinful Colors. And I'll also be using Such Feet. With your guides already on your fingers. Oh, and I also have some mixy canvases out that comes with your foils or water decals by Shemodern. I'm going to be wipe the nail glue as much as you can off your brush. I'm going to be putting this on my nail. You can use whatever designs you'd like. I've got the chevron on. And here are my stubby nubbin nails. I have 2 on each hand. They both happen to be index and pointer ring finger, or not ring finger, listen to me, middle finger and index finger. When you're putting your glue on, try to get it as thin as possible. You don't need a lot. And the more you have on, the longer it's going to take to dry. When it's dry, the glue will turn white and it'll be tacky. Get your mixing canvas because you're going to be using this glitter and it will be kind of falling off your nails. Make sure you have your wrong bottle. Where did mine go? I've lost my water bottle. Here it is. With Shemodern, you comes with 2 empty bottles, 1 per package of pigment. You can put in rubbing alcohol, acetone, fingernail polish remover, water. Mine has water, and we're going to be using that for the water decals. So I'll set that aside for right now. And again, those are my water decals. My glue is just about dry except on the thumbnail. So I'm going to start with my baby finger. Just tap, tap, tap. And it comes out. It dispenses nicely. Tap this on your nail. You might want to get a fan brush out to swipe off your nail. This finger is already done. This is what everything's going to look like when they're done. You just tap on, and then you tap, tap, tap with your finger. Make sure the glitter gets in there good. A little goes a long way, I will have to say. Tina at Shemodern has great products here. I feel like I got a hair there. Whoops. She's got great products. Lots of foils to choose from, lots of different patterns, colors, hollow. You can make any what are they called? The water decals come in any color, hollow also. The foils come in any color, hollow also. So that is always a plus for all us hollow maniacs out there. And once again, just tap lightly on the nail. This happens to be my longest nail. So this one's going to take me a bit. Tap it on the nail. Tap, tap, tap. And tap with your finger. This taps it down into the glue. You might want to tap your free edge there. Make sure there's no pigments hanging off the edge, which I didn't do to the other field. We don't need to do that one. Oops. When you are sure let me get the tweezers for this. Pull your guides off your fingers. Maybe I should have did this first. Oops. We'll brush off any loose glitter. We will need to do a little bit of cleanup here, I see, which is no big deal. And you should have the chevron pattern on your nail. And then we're going to top coat it with the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. Once that is dry, we will proceed with the water decal. And I will show you how to do those. This turned out really cute. On YouTube and Instagram, there are 4 ladies who did videos for a little contest they're doing. They are Pumpkins, oh my goodness, Pumpkins Nail Center, Nails of Interest, Girly Nail 66, and Glitzy Nails UK. You can check out their videos. I'm recording with the cell phone, so I have no way to link them that I know of as right now. Please look them up on Instagram and YouTube. Watch their videos. It's all about glitter. Some of us use Shemodern, some don't. This turned out really, really well. I have my cleanup brush, pump dispenser for my fingernail polish remover. You can use rubbing alcohol. I just prefer to get in here with a little bit of remover. Clean this up. Takes just a second. Dab this off out of Kleenex. Takes just a second for cleanup. Make sure you get the glitter off your cuticles. You don't want any of that left behind. Thumb is going to be my hardest one with the most glitter. And there we go. Cleanup is done. I'm going to swap out my mixing canvas for a empty one. No glitter on it. And I take my... First we're going to top coat. I'm jumping ahead of myself. This is a long video, so I hope you got your beverage, your coffee, your iced tea, even your soda, maybe even some water. I'm filming this early in the morning, so most likely you have your coffee with you. But this video is not going to be posted for maybe a week until their contest ends. You can do any glitter mani, and you can submit your mani on Instagram and tag the ladies in it so that they know that you are interested in their contest. Okay, where are my water decals? So we're going to cut out a few. And it's all about putting them in water. Very simple, very easy. I love water decals. You might want to trim them down. I got some big old scissors out, so we're going to see if we can cut out some corners. Whoops. Trim it down as far as you can. The smaller your scissors, probably the better it'll be. There is number 1. Whoops. I know this is taking extra time and I should have had them trimmed before I started the video. And I apologize for that. Other things that I could be doing on camera besides trimming a water decal. Again, these are daisies from Shemodern. Look her up on Instagram, Shemodern. On YouTube, it's just Shemodern. Her name is Tina. She is a very, very nice lady. She could answer all questions you may have. There is 3. I think I need another smaller one for my thumb. On my thumb I may put 2. But we're going to trim these down. Follow with your trusty little tweezers. Okay, there is 4. I'm going to cut one more smaller one. Because on my thumb I want to put 2. A smaller one and a bigger one. Okay. Put those down. Get your bottle of water. Remove all my clippings from them. I'm going to put some water out here. Put your trusty decal in there. Whoops. Put some more water on top of it. Make sure there's enough water you can see when they start to separate. It'll take just a minute. Your top coat, since it's a fast drying top coat, should be dry. I'm going to pick these little clippings up from the water decals while we wait for that water to separate them from the backing. Also, when you get a water decal, there is a clear cellophane sheet over the top of it that you want to peel off. You don't want to cut through that. Just a word for the wise. Excuse me, I need a drink of water. A little thirsty. Tap down your decals. Oh, some of them are ready to move. Oh, here we go. Okay. Let me get my tweezers. Make sure you dab a little bit of water on each nail before you put the decal on. So, we're going to do the pinky first. And we are going to pick up one of the decals. Lay it down. Position it wherever you want it. Oh. My decal does not want to come off my finger. I think it needs a little bit more moisture there. Get a Kleenex, paper towel, whatever you want to use. Dab it down. Get all the excess water out. Move on to your next decal. I'm going to skip over to my thumb. Oops, we need water there. I'm going to open the water back up, turn it counterclockwise, and open your cap. Put your water down. Whoops. Get your tissue. Beautiful. Maybe wet the other side of my nail. Because I do want 2 on this nail, on my thumb. There we go. There. Dab that down. Whoops. Just about lost that one. And there's my thumb. I do really like these. Water decals are fun to play with. Remember, have your nail wet before you put the decal on. Get your trusty scissors. Scissors, listen to me. Your tweezers. Position you where you want the water decal at. Press it down to get the excess water. Water on your nail. Get your decal in position. Whoop. And dab it into place. There are my glitter manicure. So I'm going to dab off all this water, so I'll end up with it all over the place. I'm going to top coat with Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. After when they are fully dried, which takes just a minute, I'm going to top it with Seche Vite. Make sure to cap the free edge of your nail. Put another top coat on that one just because. Whoops. Can't do that way. I like to turn my hand over to cap my free edge, or my free edge of my nail. And last but not least, the thumbnail. These are really cute. You can even, if you don't top coat them and put no clear on them and just leave them as they were, excuse me, you can take the water decals back off and put them back on the paper with water and reuse them, which is really cool. Put my caps back on my product, my water bottle, my blue-green hollow iridescent glitter. I love this. Thank you for this, Tina. Here is my glitter manicure. And my thumb with the 2 daisies. I just love this. I think this looks gorgeous. It's great for summer. And I hope you've all enjoyed this. I know this video was really long, and I hope you watched it all. Let me get my Seche Vite out, and we will top this one, and we'll be done. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below of anything you'd like to see in the future. Nail foils, more water decals, other kind of nail art, or just plain polish. I did get a few other decals and foils from Tina at Shemodern, and they're just beautiful. I've got the ribbons for cancer awareness, flip-flops, which are great for summer. So check her out once again. Instagram, she is she_modern. YouTube is Shemodern. Her website is shemodern.com. Her name is Tina. Beautiful lady. Please check out the 4 ladies who did the glitter manicures on YouTube and Instagram. Pumpkin's Nail Station, Nails of Interest, Girly Nails 66, and Glitzy Nails UK. Great videos. You can learn a lot from these ladies, and they do use Shemodern products. Some of them use gel nails, some of them use real nail polish, so it is possible for both. Just putting that out there. Well, this is the end of my video, and I really hope you enjoyed this. Have a blessed day.